The internet screams, AI is coming for your job. But the data whispers something different. It says, not yet, prepare anyway. This video is not fear, it's your action plan. A 20-minute reality check and a roadmap that can literally change how you survive the next 12 months. Because in 2025, the real question isn't, will AI take my jobs? It's, will I adapt faster than the next person? But wait, before we jump to conclusions, let's separate panic from proof. Because viral doom posts might get clicks, but they rarely get you clarity. Let's start with what the numbers actually say. According to the latest World Economic Forum report, over 40% of skills in current jobs will shift by 27. But employment rates still largely stable. What's changing fast is what people are paid for. Writers, coders, researchers, yes, they're feeling it first. I can already draft articles, debug code, and summarize research papers. But that doesn't mean these jobs vanish overnight. It means they're mutating faster than universities or job boards can keep up. And here's the first truth bomb. Macro employment looks fine, but micro anxiety is skyrocketing. People aren't just afraid of losing their job. They're afraid of losing relevance. Every AI replaces humans headline makes you feel smaller. Every chart shared on social media fuels panic. But when you dig deeper into that same data, something incredible appears. It's not that AI kills opportunity. It's that it shifts opportunity to those who learn how to use it. Let's decode that with one simple insight. AI adoption doesn't happen in a single day. It moves through 5 invisible stages: research, pilot, rollout, integration, and trust. And guess what? Most industries are stuck somewhere between pilot and rollout. That lag, those messy transition months, are your chance. That's your window to learn the skills companies don't even know they'll need yet. But first, let's expose the myth behind the so-called Apocalypse Now headlines. Those viral bar charts showing 98% of jobs at risk. They forget one thing. Tools don't replace teams overnight. Companies still need humans to design workflows, verify data, audit bias, and connect dots across departments. I can accelerate, but it still needs interpreters. It still needs people who understand context. That's where you win, not by competing with AI, but by collaborating with it. So, what are the skills that compound in this new era? Let's break it down one by one. Skill number 1, agent operations. In plain English, it's learning how to design, monitor, and audit long-horizon AI tasks. Think of it like managing a team of invisible assistants, each doing one piece of a bigger mission. You're not just giving prompts. You're setting objectives, measuring outcomes, and adjusting behavior. That's how future managers will work, with agents, not just employees. Skill number 2, tool-aware writing. The days of just write well are over. Now it's about writing that AI understands. You need to know how to structure prompts, how to guide tone, format, and facts. How to merge human storytelling with machine logic. Every viral post you see online today has one secret. It's engineered for both humans and algorithms. And the writers who get that right, they don't lose work, they lead teams. Skill number 3, video AI production. Attention is the new oil. And the fastest way to refine it is video. Learn how to script hooks, Reveal stories with suspense. Deliver proof beats. And disclose your source ethically. You don't need a camera crew. Just clarity, emotion, and a voice. The internet rewards creators who teach while telling a story. Now, let's talk about action. Because watching content about AI doesn't change your career. Execution does. Here's your 30-day pivot plan. That ye bastaus. Simple, measurable, doable. Week 1. Pick your niche. Whether it's fitness, finance, freelancing, or AI education. Write down 10 video ideas based on real search trends. Add credible sources, so you don't just create noise, you create trust. Week 2. Create 4 shorts. Each one under 60 seconds, with a hook in the first 3 seconds. Then measure retention at 3s, 30s and 95% watch through. These numbers are your truth. They tell you what story style your audience actually cares about. Week 3. Publish one 10 to 15 minute tutorial. Explain a topic clearly. Add real examples. Publish the script and prompts in your description. When people see your transparency, you build authority instantly. Week 4. Automate your backend. Use an AI agent to batch generate scripts, metadata, and descriptions overnight. You just record your voice or use a cloned one. That's how modern solo creators scale like media companies. Now let's do a quick live audit of a real role. Imagine you're a content writer. I can already summarize blogs, rephrase articles, and research keywords. But can it conduct live interviews? Can it visit a local business and find a story angle humans feel? Can it design emotional soundscapes or visual transitions that make people feel something? Not yet. So here's your new hybrid role. You're not just a writer, you're a creator operator. You use AI to handle the mechanical parts. And you use your human intuition to decide what matters. Let's go even deeper. When you redesign any job description for 2025, ask 2 questions. What can AI automate at 80% quality? What can only humans make authentic? Your goal isn't to replace yourself. It's to redefine yourself. Because the truth is, AI doesn't kill jobs, it kills tasks. And the faster you shift from task-based thinking to system-based creation, the faster your value multiplies. Let's talk about measurement, the most underrated skill of all. If you don't track, you can't grow. So start monitoring your watch-through rates, saves, and return viewers. If your watch-through drops, don't panic, diagnose. Is your hook weak? Is your proof density low? Are you explaining instead of revealing? Fix one thing per week, and your retention graph will climb. And here's the psychology behind it all. People don't subscribe because you're smart. They subscribe because you guide them through uncertainty. In an age where everything feels unstable, your calm, your structure, and your clarity become your superpower. You might be thinking, but AI learns faster than me. True, but AI doesn't care like you do. It doesn't dream, doubt, or dare. And that's exactly what makes your perspective irreplaceable. Machines optimize, humans improvise. And every breakthrough in history came from someone who blended both. So here's your challenge. Instead of asking, what will AI take from me? Ask, what can I build with AI that no one else dares to? Because the next generation of leaders won't just use AI, they'll think with it. They'll design systems that scale creativity, empathy, and impact all at once. Let's zoom out one last time. Panic is passive. Preparation is power. Every time you scroll past a fear headline, remember, someone else is scrolling past the same post, but using that fear as fuel. Which one are you? Your window of opportunity is open right now. Before companies restructure, before universities rewrite curriculums, before AI regulation locks in, learn to stack your skills. AI plus storytelling plus systems. That's the winning trio. So here's how you finish strong. Big. Tonight, make your pivot sheet. One column for your old skills, another for what AI enhances, and one final column for what only you can do. Then map your next 30 days. Not to survive, but to stand out. Because the people who stay curious, who learn publicly, who build small experiments every week, they're the ones the future hires. They're the ones AI works for, not against. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people who stopped at fear. So here's your final step. Comment the word stack below. I'll drop a full list of the tools and prompts that make this system work. And if you want to keep your edge, subscribe right now. Because the next video will decode which skills will triple your income before 2026. Because in the end, the future doesn't belong to the fastest machine. It belongs to the most adaptive human. Stay curious, stay creative, grow your life with AI.